Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you're watching to the Market Watch review. Asia-Pacific equity indices were mixed. While Australia, Japan, South Korea, and China posted modest gains, most of the large bourses dropped. After yesterday's 1% increase, Europe's Stoxx 600 is unchanged. The U.S. equity futures are steady or slightly firmer. Mixed U.S. dollar and poor GDP figures weigh on the Swedish Krona, which is the weakest of the G10 currencies, while rising rates weigh down the yen after the large decline in Japan's industrial output, which was not fully offset by stronger retail sales. Yesterday's 5-day drop in gold was reversed by yesterday's gains. The year has reached a new low of $1,805, slightly below $1,805. The April WTI index is up by about $1 and could see its third consecutive advance in just 4 sessions. Asian Pacific market. Last month saw a drop in Japanese industrial output due to lower auto production and sluggish U.S. and European demand. Separately, Japan saw a 1.9% rise in retail sales in January. The dollar continues to gain against the Japanese currency and has now reached JPY 136.85. This is a new record since December's surprise. Australia reported a fourth-quarter surplus of $14.1 million in Australian dollars. This is more than double the expectations. Separately, Australia saw a 1.9% increase in January retail sales after the December drop of 4.0%. Despite positive data, the Australian dollar is having trouble. The Australian dollar has held above yesterday's lowest of $0.6700, but failed to rebound at 0.6750. Market of Europe. Sterling gained more support after the announcement that the EC had reached a deal with the UK Prime Minister Sunak, which has been rumored for over a week. Sterling's largest advance since January 6 was 0.9%, with the gain of more than 0.9%. Inflation figures from Spain and France have prompted a spike in European interest rates. 2- and 10-year yields rose mostly 5-8 BP, sparking talk about a 4.0% final rate by the ECB. Yesterday, the euro rose from just below $1.0525 down to 1.0620. Today, it edged up a bit to 1.0625. Market of America. The January advanced goods trade balance was a combination of inventory and inventory. In fourth quarter, wholesale inventories increased by an average 0.5% and was expected to have risen 0.2% last month. Retail inventories are expected increase by 0.1% in January. House prices are also available today. Fed speak heats up. 6 different officials spoke at the end of each week. Yesterday's inside day for the U.S. dollar was recorded against the Canadian dollar. Today's price action is limited to yesterday's range. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.